What's up, everybody? Today we are down the ports and it's windy, so sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. But today we're installing tracker units on some Jockey trucks. Not that we're going to watch the installation, that's just annoying and boring. But I figure I'll show you some new trucks they got down here. To start, typical Cummins 6.7 in there, does its job. We have the same ones in some of our forklifts. And there's the truck next to it. Something interesting there. But anyway, so working on these, figured I'd show you that. Yeah, we're working on this big guy. Yeah, right on it. Can I do that? Yeah. And if we walk on over here, it's a little different underneath. That's not an engine. Not at all. See a nice little voltage symbol on there, lots of connections, and now they got the electric trucks in here. So you got all that stuff. These are all, as far as I know, just a combination of batteries and converters. So this whole thing, can't really see in there, but that whole thing there and that one over there is a battery. I think there's another battery underneath, or like in this area, but I know there's 3 batteries. I mean, hell, that might even be one of the batteries there. Like, I don't know anything about these trucks. This is the first time I've seen one. Over here we have, if you can see it, lead acid battery. That's, basically for whatever accessories they have in here, including the pump that actually raises the cap up. That's 24 volts. Well, this is it. That's your engine in here now. Find that interesting. It's like a built-in drip tray. Oh yeah, look. There's 2 holes right there in the center. You close, it's going to line right up with that. It must be for spillage. I don't know why they wouldn't have just put them somewhere else. But anyway. Oh yeah, look. In case you've never seen underneath one of these. We got the electric ones. Everything's on solenoids. Actually, there's hydraulics. I would say there should be hydraulics, but there's the hydraulics to lift this whole thing. But just figured I'd show you what I saw, since I hadn't messed with one of these electrics in a while. Well, sorry, ever. I haven't messed with an big electric like this in a while. But yeah, that's it. Figured I'd show you what's going on down here at the ports. And I'm gonna get back to it. See everybody later.